Hi, my name is Clark. I'm an instructor trainer with Scuba.com, and today we're going to talk about cleaning your gear after your dive day. First off, one of the most important pieces of equipment you have to make sure you take care of all the time is your regulator. You're going to want to soak this in warm water, warm as you can stand, because that's going to help break the salt crystals down. Make sure you keep the dust cover on the regulator when it's immersed in water, and don't push your purge button, because that'll allow water to go down the second stage and that'll mess up your first stage. But let it soak for at least 45 minutes to an hour, and then rinse it off in fresh water and let it air dry. The next item you need to pay attention to is your weight belt or weight pockets, whatever type of integrated system you use. Along with your weights, it's best to soak this in fresh water after everything else is done. At least it breaks the salt down. You can use a little bit of the salt away as well with this, and it keeps your weights from getting all rusted up. Make sure you let everything dry in a cool, dry place. The next items out of your dive bag you want to clean is your wetsuit, gloves, booties, hoods. You want to make sure the items are inside out. If you've been beach diving, you want to rinse all the sand off first. You want to have a big trash can full of fresh water. Soak your wetsuits in there and your rubber materials. Maybe add some wetsuit shampoo. That'll keep your items nice and soft and supple and extend their life. If it starts getting a little stinky, you can start using this fresh again. This will freshen it up. After you've finished rinsing them or soaking them in your water, you want to keep them inside out so they dry, and then turn them right side out again so that the outside dries off, and then you can store them away in a cool, dry place until your next dive. Last but not least is your BCD. You definitely want to soak this in fresh water as long as you can, and even warm water. That helps break down the salt residue that builds up on the fabric of the exterior of the BCD. You also want to make it a point to add water through the manual inflator hose, inflate it up, swish the water around. That's going to dilute the salt water that's in there. And then you want to just turn it upside down, and maybe with your power inflator attached, hit your power inflator button. The air will expand the BCD, and then the air pressure will force your water out through the overpressure relief valves, therefore cleaning that out as well. And then soak your power inflator too. This is one of the most neglected pieces of equipment in your diving kit. So once you've got everything set up again, like your BC and everything else, and your wetsuits and your regulators, you want to air dry everything. This salt away product will help again on metal products, and the Cordura material as well to help salt from building up on all your gear.